What's up, party people? Android Stud here, and I have, take a look at this. That's right, the Galaxy Note 10 Plus, and I feel like I've been waiting for this all day long. FedEx dropped it off, and I'm really excited about this device. I wasn't excited about the Note 9, not so pumped up about the S10 or S10 Plus, or even the S10e, but this one has me excited. This has a big boy RAM in it. 12 gigabytes of RAM. This is the big boy version, 6.8 inch screen, dynamic AMOLED, all those fancy terms. Also has 12 gigabytes of RAM for that memory storage. And I got the Aura Glow, so I'm looking forward to open this up. Let's talk about it. I want to give you my first impressions of this beast of a phone. Let's take a look at the Galaxy Note 10 Plus. All right, I got a confession. It's a dirty confession, but I got to confess. When I ordered this and I saw the white at Best Buy, I said, I should have got the white. You know what? I'm glad I got this color. This color is crazy. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. You can see my lens. This is, oh, man. Shout out to the non-headphone jack. No headphone jack on this bad boy. But you got that triple camera on the back. Similar to the S10 Plus, S10 series. So don't get excited. It's the same cameras. Don't get it twisted. You got that little pinhole in the front. We're going to check that out in a little bit. And yeah, this is an impressive looking color. I'm not going to lie to you. I don't even want to get it dirty. You know what I mean? I don't even want to. Now, there's no buttons on the right side, which is kind of freaky if you ask me. Now all the buttons are on the left side. This is a beauty. This is a beauty. I'm not gonna lie to you. This is a beauty of a phone. We're gonna go ahead and pop this on. We're gonna set it up and we're gonna get into it. I'm gonna put all my information in it. Android Stud here. You know what I mean. We're gonna do it party people style. But this is just a beautiful, beautiful phone. Woo! All right, so let's take a look real quick what comes in the box. Obviously, this comes with some headphones here by AKG. What's great about these is since it does not have a headphone jack, you get that Type-C headphone jack, I'm assuming. Let's go ahead and take these out real fast. Probably never be able to put these back in here, but I just want to see if they're, yep, they are Type-C, officially confirmed by Android Stud. And then also you get your charging cable here for that quick, fast charging. Obviously the Note 10 Plus has the wireless charging, so if you got a wireless charger, you're good to go. But this is going to have that super fast charging there by Samsung. And then you get some other, you get a little dongle action here. Not dongle, but you get like a, to transfer some media and stuff. If you need that, you're good to go. All right, so I have everything set up. I put my account in. The setup was pretty easy with the fingerprint and putting in my Google account. Is pretty darn easy, so you have no issues when it comes to the setup. It's really fast. You could also, even if you have a Samsung device, they have a feature where you could just completely transfer it over from your Samsung iCloud. Come on, brother. Your Samsung account straight to this device. Now, this thing is a beauty. 6.8 inch display, okay? Now, I wanted to give you that I wanted to do it with you. Ready to rip off the plastic? You ready? Ready? And then we're gonna do, shout out to Floss. Shout out to Floss. We're gonna do a smell test. You ready? You ready? Oh, yeah. Now we're gonna sniff it. You ready? Boy, that smells good. That is an absolute beauty. Goodness gracious. Yo, I want to slap somebody's mama for real. This thing is just insane looking. But anyway, it has that 6.8 inch display. Man, this thing is, it's a stunner, man. It's a big phone, man. This is a big phone. I thought some folks have the Mate 20X. That's a big boy, 7.2, but 6.8. This thing is made very well. As you see, you get that hole at the top there, you know, with your front facing camera. But this thing is absolutely a big phone, you know, very, very big phone. You get the quad HD display, which is phenomenal on this device. You know, got that dynamic AMOLED, or how, you know, they try to be fancy with it, which is cool. You don't have the headphone jack anymore, so you just have Type-C. Obviously, you get, man, not a big S Pen person, so for me, not a big deal. Ooh, look at that color on that pen, huh? You like that, huh? It's like a blue, a straight up blue. And it's got some air actions that you could try out, but we'll go through those later, not in this video. But obviously, man, with the pen, you're solid. Word is that the pen is a little better. Every note, the pen gets better. So, and it was already pretty good. You get that triple camera setup in the back, obviously similar to the S10 Plus cameras, identical. So you get the triple, you get the ultra wide, you get the standard, you get the telephoto, and then you get that front-facing camera there. Let's get into it. Let's rock that to the back. There we go. You get the front-facing camera, which you can take some pictures. There we go. Let's take another photo. Let's back up. Shout out to my fans out there. Let's do a little live focus. Let's see how it looks. Ready? Say cheese. All right. Now, the cameras are going to be decent because this is a Samsung phone, so you're not really going to have I think, issues with this camera. I know they have, some people were saying something about the live focus on the video that wasn't that good, but I'll put it to the test. I mean, yeah, not everybody can do it right. I'm taking some pictures of some flowers right now. I'll put them up in the on the video so you guys can see it, but let's pump them up. Shout out to good friends of ours, Michelle and Mario, who brought these by for my wife, because she just got through an accident where she got hurt, but she's doing better, and they brought these by for her. So shout out to them, and thank you. There's the live focus on the selfie. There's my lens. But, you know, we'll try these out, man. The buttons just on the left side is kind of weird. Because if you're holding the phone with your right, I guess you're gonna have to, yeah, that's kind of weird. There's no buttons on the, yeah, that's kind of odd. But the rest of the phone, man, is pretty, I mean, this is a beautiful phone. Now, this phone's $1,100 if you want to get the Galaxy Note 10 Plus. The little Note 10, the 6.3 inch, this phone is so big I can't even get it in the screen of my camera. Now, let me adjust this. There we go. Sorry about that. Yeah, if you want to get a 6.3 inch Galaxy Note that only has a 1080p screen, that one's $950. So I'm trading in a phone for $600 for this. So I'm getting a little bit of a discount on my phone. So that's kind of cool. But this thing is an absolute beauty. It's a stunner, man. You got to put a screen protector on this. You're going to have to put this in a case, if you ask me, because if you don't, you could be in trouble. If you drop this, you're definitely going to be in trouble. Like I said, it's got 256 gigabytes of RAM. It has 12 gigabytes of RAM. 256 gigabytes of storage, 12 gigabytes of RAM. Now, if this had a 256 gigabyte RAM, it'd be flying like a Momo. You know what I'm saying? 855 Snapdragon, so you get the big boy. You get your Samsung UI, which is, gotten better over the years. I'll probably drop Nova Launcher on this. But that Aura Glow in the back is just, man. And it's got the new storage. It runs UFS 3.0 technology. I have no idea what that means. I'm reading it from a script. So, and the battery on this is, wow, what's the battery on this bad boy? I know the Note 10 is sporting a 3500 size battery. This one, the Note 10 Plus, is sporting about a 4300 milliamp battery, which is pretty good because it's bigger than the S10 Plus. So, but with the Notes, I know the S10 Plus battery is not bad. So most of these phones in 2019, 2018 are pretty good. So you don't have to worry about that. You can use a 45 watt charger, but that's not included in the box. So you're gonna have to pay more for that bad boy. You're gonna have to get that from Samsung. Now the fingerprint on this as I was trying it, seems to be working pretty good. So I know the S10 Plus one was absolutely terrible. So let's try this one. Yeah, much better. The fingerprint reader on the Note 10 Plus is much better than the S10 Plus. And like I said, it's got the triple cameras on here, similar to the S10 cameras, 12 megapixel main lens, 12 megapixel telephoto lens, and 16 megapixel ultra wide lens. So on the cameras, you're gonna be doing all right. And like I said, on the front facing camera, you get the 10 megapixel sensor. You got a narrow aperture, and you know, selfie night mode should help with low light when you need it. Video recording, you could do live focus videos. I've heard mixed reviews on it, so but I picked this up from Samsung, straight from the horse's mouth. But I'm on T-Mobile, so I'll be rocking and rolling on this. This is a beautiful phone. But if you got any questions or comments, or you want me to do any kind of videos, let me know, and I will try to rock and roll with those for you guys here on the channel. But this is an absolute monster of a phone. It's absolutely beautiful. You will enjoy this phone. I know some people picked up the Note 10. For me, if you're gonna go big or go home, that's the way I say it. I like the screen. I'm looking forward to trying DeX on this. I know you could do it on your Apple MacBooks and also on your PCs. And like I said, the S10 also underwent some slight redesigns too, with the beveled edge and some new functionality. So we'll see. This is gonna be my phone of choice for the next couple weeks. I'm gonna give it a rock and a roll. But this is the Oro Glow. As I said, this thing's absolutely beautiful. You can get the Oro Black. Shout out to Corey. I know he got that one. The Oro White also. I thought I wanted to get the Oro White, but I'm so glad I got this glow. Look at the glow. So much glow, you don't know. I bet you the red one would be hot. But that's gonna do it, man. I'm Android Stud. Follow me on Twitter or on Instagram at Android Stud. Also, subscribe to the channel. Leave a comment down below. And if you're not part of the party people, jump on and subscribe to the channel. That's going to do it. These are the first impressions of the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus. Just arrived on my doorstep. Peace, party people.